Hi kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're starting with a number talk. And remember, number talks happen right here, or maybe sometimes right here, right? So we can use our fingers, but we're not going to break out our tools for this. We're really going to try to make strong connections in our mind with the numbers. So here we are, 3 plus 6. What do you think that makes when you put a 3 and a 6 together? It's okay to hit pause right now so that you can think of your very best strategy. All right, I want to hear you nice and loud, but don't blow your parents away and don't make your parents mad. Okay, ready? On the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3, tell me. Did you say 8? Did you say 9? Okay, which one is it? Is it 8 or 9? Let's find out. Okay, so maybe you used your fingers. So let's see what that would look like. Maybe you started with 3 fingers, or maybe you even started with 6 fingers, because I know some kids like to count on from a bigger number. So maybe you thought about us showing 6 fingers like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers plus 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then you counted them all together. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Ooh, maybe you also knew that 6 plus 4 made 10. So maybe you were like, ooh, I know that it's going to be 9 because it's not 6 plus 4. It's a 6 plus a 3 or a 3 plus a 6. I bet there's so many ways that you thought about this. Okay, let's try another one. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. Okay, ready? It's okay to pause, remember. But I want to hear, on the count of 3, I want to hear what you think 3 plus 7 is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. I hear you. Okay, are you thinking last time 3 plus 6 was 9? Did anybody think about that? If this one was 9, and instead of adding 6, now we're adding 7. So we're adding 1 more to it. 1 more. And what happens to the answer? The 9 becomes a 10. So we have to add 1 more to the 9. Okay, so let's see. What would that look like with our fingers? So 3 fingers plus 7 fingers. Okay, so again, maybe you started with 7 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Started with our greater number first, plus 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's count them. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or we could have said 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 and 3 more, or 3 plus 7 more make 10. That's right. Okay, let's do 1 more. Anybody have a guess as to what I'm going to write down? I bet you do. 3 plus 8. Okay, don't forget you can hit pause right now. Okay, I have a question for you. Before you yell at me and tell me what you think the answer, or think the answer is, do you think this answer will be more than 10, exactly 10, or less than 10? What do you think? Okay, tell me, is it more, less, or exactly 10? Okay, let's do the big reveal on the count of 3. Don't make your parents mad. 1, 2, 3, tell me. It's more than 10. It is, in fact, 1 more than 10. It is 11. Okay, so let's see. If we had 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3 fingers, and we added 8 more fingers. There's 1 hand. I added 2 more fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, I think I had to use a toe. Did you have to use a toe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 make 10 plus 1 make 11. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, maybe you even thought about breaking the 8 into a 5 and a 3 more. So you can see it on your fingers. Like an 8 looks like this, right? A 5 and a 3 more. So you can kind of see that here. A 5 and a 3 more. And we already had the 3 right there. So many ways to think about things, right? Okay, kids, I'm feeling lucky, and I think we've got to talk a little bit more about leprechauns. I know we've already talked about leprechauns a little, but I'm kind of obsessed. They're fun, they're magical, and they like to collect gold coins. So I named this story Rainbow Gold. Okay, do you remember what this word says? It says leprechaun. A leprechaun found golden coins at one end of the rainbow. Okay, so I want you to close your eyes and imagine a rainbow. And at one end of the rainbow, a leprechaun finds some gold coins. Then he skipped to the other side of the rainbow and found more coins. It's his lucky day. How many golden coins did the leprechaun find in all? Okay, so we're going to check this out. You might choose from 5 and 4, or 7 and 4, or 9 and 7. I'm going to choose 5 and 4 today. And remember, after you choose your numbers, you need to go back and read the story again because we have to imagine it with the numbers inside. Okay, so let's see. A leprechaun found 5 golden coins at one end of the rainbow. Okay, so 5 golden coins here. And then he skipped to the other side of the rainbow and found 4 more coins. How many golden coins did the leprechaun find in all? I bet he put him in his pot of gold. Okay, so that's what we're trying to figure out today. From one end of the rainbow to the other end, how many gold coins the leprechaun found in all? Okay, kids, it's okay to grab those math tools. In fact, you should grab those math tools. Grab your whiteboard. Grab your hundreds chart. Don't forget tools, tools, tools. And I'll see you next time. Bye, kids.